Hey there, sugar lovers! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the sweetest tips and tricks for a healthier life. Today, we're diving into the world of blood sugar levels. Are you ready? Let's go! We all love indulging in sugary delights, but do you know when your sugar levels are skyrocketing? Stick around because we've got 6 telltale signs that your sugar levels might be higher than you think. Let's get started. Sign number 1, frequent thirst. If you find yourself constantly reaching for that water bottle or craving sugary beverages, it might be a sign that your sugar levels are soaring. Remember, folks, high sugar levels can lead to dehydration, making your body crave more fluids. So, quench that thirst with good old H2O. Sign number 2, increased appetite, especially for high-carb foods. Are you constantly craving sugary snacks, like chips, cookies, or French fries? Well, your sugar levels might be calling the shots. When your sugar levels are high, your body craves more energy, and it tends to seek out those quick and easy carbs. So, reach for healthier alternatives and keep those cravings at bay. Sign number 3, energy roller coaster. Do you often feel like you're riding an emotional roller coaster with your energy levels? One minute you're buzzing with energy, and the next, you crash and burn. That could be a sign of fluctuating sugar levels. When your sugar levels spike and then plummet, it can leave you feeling exhausted and drained. Keep an eye on those levels and stabilize your energy with balanced meals. Sign number 4, heart racing. If you experience rapid heartbeats, palpitations, or feel like your heart is skipping a beat, it might be time to check your sugar levels. High sugar levels can cause an increase in heart rate and blood pressure. If you notice these symptoms, it's essential to consult with your healthcare professional. Sign number 5, unwanted weight gain. If you've been noticing those extra pounds sneaking up on you, and your sugar intake is high, it could be a double whammy effect. Excess sugar consumption can lead to weight gain, as it provides empty calories without any significant nutritional value. Watch your sugar intake, and your waistline will thank you. Sign number 6, mood swings. Feeling like your emotions are all over the place? High sugar levels might be to blame. When your sugar levels spike and drop rapidly, it can affect your mood, leaving you feeling irritable, anxious, or even down in the dumps. So, keep those sugar levels in check and maintain a sweet disposition. And there you have it, folks. 6 signs that your sugar levels might be through the roof. Remember, moderation is key when it comes to sugar. Stay healthy, stay happy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your sweet-toothed friends. Until next time, stay sweet.